Struggling with scattered information, high communication costs, and the limitations of traditional suites like Google Workspace? In this video, we'll walk you through the top alternatives for Google Workspace in 2026 to help you centralize your workflow and keep your team on track. Let's start with Lark, a unified workspace designed to eliminate the need for context switching between multiple apps. Lark brings together all your essential tools into a single, cohesive platform. For example, in Lark Messenger, you can capture ideas by instantly converting a chat message into an actionable task, without needing to switch to a dedicated task manager like Asana. For advanced data management, we have Lark Base. It integrates seamlessly to streamline project management. Here, you can leverage built-in formulas, create charts, and run automations, making data analysis easier, all without ever leaving your current page. When it comes to team discussions, you can launch a Lark meeting with up to 500 participants directly from your current chat, without needing external meeting links. In addition to this unified solution, you can also consider other alternatives depending on your specific needs. First, there is Microsoft 365, which is the standard choice for enterprises built on legacy Windows infrastructure, though data is managed through separate applications. Next, we have Zoho Workplace. It offers a cost-effective solution for basic email and documents, though the interface may feel less intuitive for fast-moving teams. Then there's Slack, which centralizes team communication and allows you to start instant audio or video calls directly within the platform, but still requires integration with external tools like screen recording. Finally, there's ClickUp, which provides customizable project management. Its clean dashboard simplifies task management and tracking, while the mobile app lacks some desktop functionality. When it comes to eliminating tool fatigue and optimizing software costs, transitioning to a next-generation unified platform can streamline how your team works. To experience seamless collaboration, you can click the link in the description below to start your free trial of Lark. Subscribe to our channel for more productivity guides and tutorials.